Shadow's gonna be playing a puppet combo game. The first puppet combo game that I've ever played. It's gonna be called Power Drill Massacre. I already heard how cheap it is. I know how cheap it is, and it's my first time playing it. And apparently, nobody's escaped from the tunnels. So I'm gonna be the first, guaranteed. Nah, I already know. Nah, it ain't gonna happen. But I'm gonna try. Like right now, I'm gonna jack around the options a little bit, you know. And we're gonna run it, you know. Oh, let's go to some controls real quick. Mouse and key, not today. We're gonna go the old PlayStation route. Oh man. Put the combo, you trolls. You trolls!
No comment about from a right.
Okay, I'm actually listening. Is that necessary? Jeff! Oh, wait, Jeff. Are you okay? I can't feel my legs. Don't worry, Jeff. I'll go get help. Who was driving? Who was driving? This is the worst headache ever. But I think I'm alright. It's getting dark. Better get the flashlight out of the trunk. Okay. Alright, there we go. Oh, wait, damn it. I'm messing up already. My flashlight. Pick it up. Ooh. There you go. That's how you work it. Alright, Jeff. Don't worry, Jeff. I'll find help. Oh, cool. Thanks for answering back. Alright. Just run. Okay. Come on, girl. Yeah, top is in the way. And look, I would follow the road. Just saying. Random caddy shacks or however the car crash. Why does it look like this? Oh, okay. You get the dramatics. Her back is in my way though. Gotta use the dramatics. That nigga can run. She can run. Go ahead. Oh, wait. Bro, why is it doing this for me? What a creepy old jet. It's boarded up. You damn right it is, girl. Alright, let's go that way. Look at me being all dramatic. Got her ability to. Ooh, don't you fall off the side of that cliff, girl. What is her name, yo? Oh, Megan, I think. So you call her like Stacy or Heather. There you go. Yep. There you go. Oh, don't fall off the cliff. Get the 80. Oh, what the hell is that? Is that a person? Bro. Oh. Man, I know what I seen. sound effects. It's rusted shit. Shit, man. Shit. Oh my goodness. You playing with these damn bell sounds. Why am I going there? Dude just like disappeared. His name Wraith. The Spectre. Call him Wraith. He's right up here. As cliche as it is, he's gonna want me to go in that door, right? Well, I'm gonna go up here because it'll be difficult. Pretty sure it's called Power Drill Massacre for a reason. You know what I'm saying? Oh my god. Here we go. Into this building, as she calls it, which I wouldn't be going inside of. The door is open. You can go inside. Sure. What a creepy building. Oh, that sound effect though. Damn it. I already know what that was. I know what that was. Oh, man. Let's not go that way. Let's not go that way. Oh, a key. Cool. Looks like an article ripped out of a newspaper. Read it as if I have a choice. What was that sound? Search continues to find 2 missing campers in the Pocono Mountains. Mason C. Sergeant and Laurie Summers of Long Island, New York, have been missing since June 8th. Their campsite and belongings have been located, but investigators have failed a few leads. Oh my god. Police say there are no visible signs of struggle, and this ... continues to be a rescue mission. The rest is missing. It's dated August 1982, 5 years ago. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's a cold case. Looks like a key. Sure does. Megan, whatever your name is. Pick it up. Why not? Bro, what was that sound? Y'all need to stop with that. Bro, I really don't want to do this. I really don't want to do this. I feel like I should be running. I feel like I should be running. I feel like I should be running, bro. Shit! What is that? Oh my god! I really didn't expect that. That damn headset makes all the difference. Whatever. Why is he so fast? Oh my god. I don't know what the hell happened. Oh. Wait, what was that? I'm running, bro. I'm just running. Fucking. Bring it. She disappeared. Somebody chasing me. Somebody's chasing me. I'm like nervous as hell right now. You can't catch me if you can't. Ooh. Ah! Shit! Ah! Run! He's slow. Bitch. He can't catch me. Oh my god. Go. No. Something. Where that kid? Yeah, we gonna pick up the damn key. These fucking sounds, I hate you. Whoever did this, I hate you. You are though. I don't care, bro. I don't care. Oh shit, don't get stuck on no damn walls, girl. What you doing? Ooh. Damn, man. This is cheap. Oh. I give it one more try. And man, y'all playing me right now, bro. They playing me. Oh, no key. No key. Shit. Where am I at? Oh, no, we ain't going that way. We ain't going that way. Nope. Ooh. Green and red paint, bro. What am I doing with that? Fuck. Don't run to the wall. Just run. So I can just run. He can't catch you. Girl. He's slow. Fuck. Oh my god. Man, I swear to you. Read it? Sure, man. Why not? Pocono vanishings. No trace of missing campers. April 4th, 1985. This is 1978. 12 campers have disappeared over a 100-mile search of the Pocono Mountains. We conduct dozens of rescue missions each year, says Pocono Park Ranger Charlie Plank. People come up here to camp and hike all the time without any experience. Accidents happen. While most rescues are successful, these 12 have stumped park rangers and local police. I wonder why. Campfires left burning, boots and jackets left behind, radio still playing. It's like these people were ripped away from their campsites, says Abe Bradley, who was involved in the search for... I can't read anymore. The ink is faded. Apparently I can't read at all. Oh shit. Don't you fucking dare. I swear to Damn it. Oh my god, no. Oh my god, he gonna get me. I keep going down the same hallways. Nope. I got that key, but it disappeared, so I gotta get keys. I know what needs to be done, bro, but I can't do it. Like, not when he hits you like 2 times, you're just done, you know? I don't know what he's doing, but he's like... Oh, shit! Run! Oh! We stopping this right here. We stopping this right here, man. So I get the point. I get it. You like went down the rabbit hole. Simple as that. 3 keys, 3 splotches. You go up the stairs, and let's say that's victory. But man, you can't hear him. You cannot hear him. You cannot hear him, and man, the damn jump scares and noise through these bad boys. Ooh, but look, I'm gonna just call that one. We gonna revisit it. We gonna revisit this. We ain't done. Puppet combo. My fault. If you guys, your first time watching me, I'm not good with jump scares, jail shadows, and this is Power Drill Massacre. I will see all of you guys in the next one. Hopefully you enjoyed. Have a safe weekend.